गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सुबह के 11:30 बजे हुए हैं और आई मीन गोवा राइट नाउ। और बारिश के टाइम पे गोवा कोई नहीं आता है, बट माय फ्रेंड्स ड्रैग मी टू गोवा। एक्चुअली था कि गोवा चलते बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग वीकेंड, इट्स क्लोज टू मैंगलोर ऑल्सो। तो आज गोवा आए हैं एंड वी आर इन एरम्बोल बीच एंड
Goa and I've chosen the wrong time of the year to kind of come here. It looks a little wet outside and
Hi, good morning Sajid, how are you?
I'm good Khalid, thank you
So
for
what are you
asking.
doing in Goa in rainfall?
I don't know, it is my friend who actually kind of decided that we take a trip here this time of the year.
Okay.
And yeah, it looks good so
But
far.
nobody comes to Goa in
It's
rainfall.
not the season time.
It's not the season
It's
time,
not
but
the
it was a long weekend, right?
It is a long weekend and then we try to capitalize on that and make the most of it. And we, from the looks of it,
And where
it's a good
are
start.
we right now?
We are in Arambol.
And who are all with us?
This is Lakeview Resort, and we have a bunch of people with superpowers. We have Sam with the camera. We have Karthik with the red T-shirt, and the planner Gladson.
The planner Gladstone is there. Okay,
Gladstone is
Everlast. And who's that guy?
That's Sam. He's the star of the.
That's Sammy Sosa.
Sammy Sosa. Oh yes, the heavyweight champion.
ग्लैडसन ने बुकिंग किया था हमारा। और ग्लैडसन ये बताओ कि एयरबीएनबी कैसा है फॉर द ग्रुप?
You want money from Airbnb?
I don't want money from the Airbnb, but it's a best option.
You know what? I found out that Airbnb has a lot of different options. It is
And the cheap
affordable.
ones.
It's very affordable.
It's very affordable.
It's affordable and it has a lot of.
अच्छा, ये हमने 3 रूम कितने में बुक किए? For 3 days.
We booked it for around $4,300 for 3 nights.
For 3 nights. So that's very
3
cheap.
rooms for 4,300.
But keep
3
in mind
nights.
this is the off season. That's why.
Yeah.
Otherwise it will be around.
Probably maybe. I think the double of that. Yeah.
Double of that, but it's always like we are 8 people, so 500 per person,
Yeah.
and a nice room we'll get. ये किरण पानी लॉन्च है और आने का रास्ता दिखाता है। आने का रास्ता बड़ा खतरनाक है भाई, चढ़ चढ़ा के आना पड़ता है। और ये रखा, ये है रिजॉर्ट का बोर्ड एंड देयर यू कैन पार्क योर बाइक एंड एवरीथिंग। बट इट्स अ वेरी नाइस प्लेस, लवली प्लेस। यू कैन सी द नेचुरल ब्यूटी। ऐसा लग रहा है जंगल में है। और बीच के किनारे एरम्बोल बीच से तकरीबन 2 किलोमीटर 3 किलोमीटर दूर होगा ये रफली। दिस इज जोसेफ। जोसेफ इज फ्रॉम गोवा इटसेल्फ। अच्छा ये बताओ, बारिश में आना चाहिए गोवा की नहीं आना चाहिए? आ सकते हैं ना? इट्स नाइस ओवर हियर बट टूरिस्ट आर लेस but the prices are also less. Environment is good and natural beauty. Yes, exactly.
Natural beauty पे एक ही है भाई.
कौन है? साजिद। अच्छा, साजिद को दिखाना पड़ेगा अब। गोवा में जब बारिश के सीजन में हो तो नेचुरल ब्यूटी बस एक ही तरह की होती है, वो होती है ऐसी। देख लो आप लोग, क्या जूम करके दिखा रहे भाई का स्वैग देखो। फूल खिल गया, गुल बदन।
Full fatak. This is my friend right here, Khalid. Vlogging all the way from Goa this time for a change, right?
And this is Sajid.
Hi. He speaks all the time. Larissa, she doesn't want to come on camera, so yeah. See, Charlie.
She's camera shy.
Video now.
That's not the right. That's a made up name. That's a pseudo. Her real name is Mildred.
Mildred.
We dread her.
Milagros.
Every time we mill her.
Milagros is nice. So that's the new name.
Agnes.
Original name, which is new name right now. Yeah. जा रही है और एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, अभी तक के हम लोग को बाइक्स नहीं मिली है।
हाँ, exactly.
And our last hope is this guy, Joseph. Come here. So as I told you, he is from Goa itself. तो हम लोग को बाइक मिल सकती है कि नहीं मिल सकती है?
देखेंगे अभी आराम से जाके देखेंगे बाइक मिलेगा तो
बाइक मिलना चाहिए जो सा बाइक मिलना चाहिए हमको। बाइक
ग्लाइडर के साथ नीचे जाना पड़ेगा।
नहीं तो हम लोग को नीचे जाना पड़ेगा, लेक में मच्छी फ्राई करके खाना पड़ेगा और कुछ नहीं कर सकते लाइफ में हम लोग गोवा में। जब बारिश हो और सीज़न ना हो तो भैया ना आना कभी भी।
मत आना, कभी नहीं आना।
और कभी मत आना। और ऐसे दोस्तों के साथ तो कभी मत आना, लेकिन ऐसे दोस्त हैं तभी तो मज़ा है आने का, तो आ जाना। लोग हैं यहाँ पे, ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग नहीं है, टूरिस्ट आर देयर बट नॉट दैट मच। और मौसम भी आज अच्छा हो गया है, इट्स नॉट रेनिंग एनी मोर। तो आज सोचा शैक पे चलते हैं, थोड़ा हेड मसाज, थोड़ा सा इन लोगों को टिंगल। बट सैम को कितना मज़ा आ रहा है। सैम एंजॉइंग इट राइट, एंड यू आर टेकिंग अ फुल कोकोनट ऑयल मसाज। हाँ
यस यस। अच्छा मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ।
हाँ
आप 100 रुपये करेंगे ना मसाज,
अच्छा
इनका करो इनका।
अच्छा you want me to get the head massage? Larry, you want a head massage? No. Are you sure? Joseph, you want a head massage? Joseph, we renamed you as Yusuf because Joseph is Yusuf in Arabic.
You have Khalid again.
Sajid, have you ever tried skinny dipping? No, I'm not going to do the skinny dipping, but if you come to Goa and if you didn't do this, what's the use, man? Bye.
Let's do that.
Not in a, now no, I'm not in a band. Now I
You
I'm
used to play
individual
organ?
Yeah, I play piano.
Piano.
Keyboard, yeah.
And what about you, Gladson? Who are you?
I am me.
You are him.
There is nobody
Nobody.
like me.
Okay. And who are you, man?
I am what I am.
And who are you?
I am Karthik. I'm just a tech savvy who enjoys each and every day in my life.
Each and every day, and he is a iOS developer.
Let me say something about my friend here.
Yeah.
Excellent sense of photography. You want some tips on photography? You want something about how to click good photographs?
How's life
I'm going
treating
inside.
you?
Huh?
How is life treating you?
Life is treating me very nicely.
Yeah. Oh.
This one I like mine. Charleston, come on. Charleston. Khalid bhai,
What's up, bro?
क्या बोल रहे?
Yeah, I love this place.
But again, what do you have to say? I mean, to people who want to really come down to Goa this summer?
You can come down. If you enjoy nature, you can come down. But if you enjoy parties and all that, it's not a good time to come. But it's very nice. I am enjoying it now. तो क्रैब खाने के लिए कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
लारिसा के घर पे.
Larissa के घर पे. Larissa has invited us to
Eat crab.
eat crabs. And that's Larissa's home right in front of us. And that's Larissa's family. Chalo.
Lovely
and,
family.
And now you have to do your part, man. To thank.
Who took the pain
Who took the pain, all the pain,
to meet his request?
to meet his
Mine. No.
Yours.
Ours.
Us request.
Yes.
We came to Goa and we didn't even have the crab.
Exactly.
Yeah, so Larissa, Joseph, and Uncle Auntie cooked crab for us, awesome crab for us.
Let's see.
And that's Joseph, that's Larissa and her cat Prem, and that's her mom and her dad.
Lovely father.
Hi, everybody.
So you get different kinds of bread here. So this is poi. These are just normal, non-sweet.
Yeah.
This is sweet poi, just to give a little bit taste. These are kadak pounds
ये blue power.
or kadak rolls.
Rajat bhai, we are loving it in Goa in the monsoon.
But Khalid, amazingly beautiful videos. Check out his vlogs on his channel.
Yeah, man.
Please don't forget to like
And
press the
Bye-bye.
ding.
Tling.
Make sure you do that.